Greetings, my lovely people. Common Sense chapter 1 verse 4 says, every step you take takes you closer to your destiny. If only you can realize that. If only you can actually know that every step you take takes you closer to your destiny, you will get to where you are going. If only you can believe in yourself. If only you can say, I must get to where I am going. If only you can move your leg. If only you can step one foot forward. If only you can continue going. If only you don't stop. If only you don't listen to any distraction. You don't listen to what people say. If only you really know where you are heading to. If only you discover that this is what you are born to do. This is your talent. This is what you do to be someone in life. If only you can determine. If only you can keep moving. If only you can keep moving. Step one foot at the front. Step one foot. Step one foot. Each foot that you step takes you closer to your destiny. Even though you fell down, even though once you get up and keep on moving, you must surely get to your destination. Once you get up and keep on moving, you must surely get to your destination. If only you can put one foot forward. If only you can say to yourself, I must get to where I am going. That you are going to a journey and you find yourself in a place stopped, that someone stopped you, or maybe you lack one or two things and you have to stop, does not end the journey. You have to look for solution. You have to look around and continue your journey. There is so many people that is back in the journey today, and maybe one or two things made them to stop because they don't realize, because they don't look around, because they don't know what they have. If only you can look around yourself, you will find a helper. You will find a helper. There are so many people in village. There are so many people in so many places. They don't know where to start anymore. They are in a journey. They don't know where to start. If only you can look around yourself, you will see somewhere to start again and keep on moving. If only you can do that. If only you can do that. So many people in a village. If only little money. You will one big man on one big man on beside you. You can compound here when you get by jam, or you pretend when you get by anything. You know that man is what that if you don't really take you to a place. No one will give you a blessing to you. Now that person may bless you. That person may give you what you want. If only you can discover. If only you can discover so many opportunities that you will use to get where you are going. Keep on moving. Keep on stepping one foot in front. Don't step one foot at back. No. Keep on stepping your foot at front. You must surely get to your destination. You must surely get to where you are going. You must surely be there. You must surely. If only you keep on moving forward. If only you don't listen to any distraction. If only you don't listen to what people say. If only you really know what you want, you must surely get to where you are going. Keep on putting one foot in the front. Keep on putting one foot in the front. You must get to your destiny. You must get to your destination. This life is not easy. There is never a time it is easy. It is left for you to determine that I must achieve this. It is left for you to determine that no matter what, I must become this, I must become that. It is left for you to determine, to know the really you, to discover the power in you. It is left for you to tell yourself the truth, to encourage yourself. There is no one to encourage you. It is not somebody that will encourage you. The real encouragement that you have today that will work for you is the one that you encourage yourself. Encourage yourself that you can actually do this. Encourage yourself that I can actually be where I want to be. Encourage yourself that I can actually go to this place, that I can actually attain this level. If only you can say that to yourself. If only you can believe. Our sister, Blessing CEO, has problem with someone that is using his house. After that time, she keep on putting one foot in the front. Today she has built her own house. Today she is okay. Today she is going to places. Today she has so many things. Today she has so many investments. If only you can keep on putting one foot in the front, you can actually have all those things. If only you keep on moving. If only you don't stop. If only you don't remain where you fell. If only you don't stop because you made a mistake. If only you keep on moving. Even those great people that you know today, those great people, if you check their history, if you read their history well, you will discover they also have one or two problems in that journey. You will also discover that there's a time it will look that they will stop, but they keep on moving. They keep on putting one foot in the front. Say it to yourself, I must reach where I am going. For the fact that you are going to a journey, you are going for a journey, and something happened on the way does not stop you from going where you are going. The journey cannot end here. Keep on moving. Find a way to sort yourself out and keep on moving. Don't stop. Once you keep on moving, you must surely get to your destination. For the fact that you are in a journey and you have a distraction does not mean that God does not destine you to reach where you are going. No. You keep on moving. You keep on moving until you get where you want, until you reach where you want to reach, until you become that person that you want to become, until you even go more. Because even great people today, the great people that you know today, keep on moving. They keep on pushing. They didn't relax because they have arrived. No, they keep up moving. Say it to yourself, I can make it. I can do this. I can go this place. I can attain this level. I can become who I want to become. Share this message and be a blessing to someone. God bless you. Thanks.